There are some types of music where tonal centering just doesn't work, or where it seems to cause more difficulty than it's worth. Examples of those times might be when the music's atonal, very chromatic, or modulating to a key that you're not expecting. For those times, a different approach is to sight read by identifying the intervals between the notes. Lots of people start their sight reading journeys by learning songs which remind them of the sounds of intervals. An example of that might be singing "Here Comes the Bride" for the sound of a perfect fourth. But there's a bit of a problem with that. When you sing "Here Comes the Bride," you're not just singing a perfect fourth. You're in fact imagining the whole key of that song. "Here Comes the Bride" is only useful if you're looking for a 5-1. Basically, imagining melodies is a long-winded and unreliable way of going about things. So in this video, I'm going to teach you a new technique for identifying intervals through word association. For now, I'm going to focus only on whole tones and major thirds. I want you to program yourself so that when you sing the word whole, the only thing you can think about is the sound of the word tone, a whole tone higher. In the next exercise, you'll hear a series of notes played on the piano. Each time you hear a note, respond by singing the interval with its word association. An arrow on the screen will tell you whether to sing the interval ascending or descending. I'll demonstrate the first 3 examples. Whole tone, whole tone, whole tone. Once you're comfortable with whole tones, we can move on to major thirds, which are really just 2 whole tones stacked on top of each other. And that gives us a really easy way to make the word association. When you hear the starting note, you can build up that stacking process by singing on the way up, major third, or down, major third. Let's try the same exercise we used with whole tones, but this time using the trickier interval of the major third. Again, I'll demonstrate the first 3 examples. Major third, major third, major third. One important thing to notice about these games and exercises is that I'll always give you the opportunity to sing the interval both ascending and descending. That's another benefit of the word association technique. A song will only take you in one direction. At the moment, we're in step 1 of a 3-step process. Step 1 is, do I know what the interval sounds like and can I sing it? Step 2 is, what does the interval look like on paper and can I recognise it? And step 3 is, can I put those 2 pieces of knowledge together to help me sight read effectively? Practice on your own to make sure that you've understood the method and that you're happy with the sound of a whole tone and a major third. When you're ready, follow the link to the next video, which develops this technique into semitones, minor thirds, perfect fourths and perfect fifths.